Hi, my name is Ana Paula Garcia Diaz, and this is my activity 8 from Effective Presentations Workshop. The idea is to talk about my career and which are the perks of studying it. So, what I'm studying is graphic design and animation, and some benefits of this are that my area of work is very wide. I can work in advertising, marketing as freelance, which means working on my own on personal projects or people who approaches to me and asks me to do them like a logo or the identity of their business and things like that. And well, so here I'm going to talk about designing programs. Some perks of this career are that you learn to use these programs in order to help you to, I don't know, maybe some job or school. In this case, the programs are Adobe are from the line from Adobe, which are Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Media Encore, Adobe InDesign, Adobe XD, Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, Adobe Media Encore, Adobe Animate, Adobe Dreamweaver, and also I'm using one from Autodesk, which is called Maya, and Word and PowerPoint, which are like the basics. And in the end, what can you do with them? You can create a logo, an image, a presentation, a poster, a video. You can edit audios or songs. You can edit like a picture, so you can make it like fantasy or like in a war. Also create characters and scenarios, which are the basic things that we do in Maya. And well, that's like the main idea. So I wish you would like to study this because it's like really fun. You can use your creativity. You open your mind to more things which you didn't even know. In my case, I didn't even know these programs exist, and now I'm doing what I love with the help of these programs, and you can make it real. And so I hope you liked this, and I encourage you to study design and animation. Thank you.